Ja. Sånt skötte inspektori Aunelantie 1 in Toijala, Akaa.
I'm not sure if I have filmed it at all.
Yeah.
Something I missed maybe. Okay. Yeah, something I didn't have time to film.
Okay.
So I'm not sure. So I'll join you in one moment, please.
Okay.
You can film it quickly.
No, don't worry. I'll just cut some extra
Today's
seconds away. Come on. Nice sound.
Yeah.
I want to film the second staircase too.
Of course, we will do it. It's here on Aunelantie 1. Toijala. Somebody's pressing call it.
Yeah.
1988 by Valmet Otis with some talking. It's a number of speed. 10430. It's fast for only 5 hours.
Lovely free face sound.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
What a lovely stuff.
Now look at this beautiful camera. And it's turning 35 years old in the next year, 2023, when it's going to be inspected again. Okay, with Ulos on it there.
Yeah.
But that light is broken.
Yeah. I want to go to the other staircase now.
Yeah,
because,
but
I have to hurry up.
No, yeah.
Whoa!
Yeah, we have to hurry up.
Yeah.
Free speed leveling.
So this was the just in case video because I could not remember if I'd filmed it before.
That's